Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to hide notes on Instagram. First of all, open your Instagram application on your phone. And when you are into your Instagram account, tap on the messages icon located at the top right corner. At the top left, you will find the option to add a note. If you don't see this feature, make sure your Instagram application is updated and consider switching to a professional account. Then, tap the plus icon to create a new note. So, type your message or content as you normally would. Now, you will see an option at the bottom that says shared with followed by your followers categories. You can tap on it to see and select who can view your note. Then, choose from options like your followers, followers you follow back, close friends, or custom. If you want to hide the note from a specific person, select Custom. In the Custom section, you can individually choose people who can or cannot see your note. Deselect the account of the person you want to hide the note from. Once you have made your selections, tap Done and then Done again. Finally, hit the Share button to post your note. It will now be hidden from the individuals you specified. This method ensures that the selected people won't be able to view your Instagram note while others can. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next one.